Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Python on your Mac. Let's get into it. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. First, open up your browser and search for Download Python. Click on the first link from python.org. You'll see the option to download Python. Just click on that and the file will start downloading. Once it's done, go to your Finder and double-click on the Python package. This will open the installer. Click Continue, agree to the license, and hit Install. Then, just enter your Mac password and press Enter. Python will install, and it'll come with a built-in interpreter called idle. To check if it's working, go to Launchpad and search for idle. Open it, and in the shell, type print hello world. Hit enter, and you should see hello world printed out.